Have you ever wondered about the mysterious world at the very edge of our solar system? Once celebrated as the ninth planet, Pluto is a tiny, icy world that has captivated imaginations for nearly a century. It's small, distant, and full of secrets, hiding mysteries that challenge everything we thought we knew about planets. Pluto is only about 2,377 kilometers across, smaller than Earth's moon, but appearances can be deceiving. Its surface is made of rock and ice, layered with frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Patches of red, brown, and white give it a strange, otherworldly glow. Towering ice mountains rise higher than Mount Everest. Vast plains of frozen nitrogen stretch for hundreds of kilometers, and glaciers slowly flow, reshaping the surface over time. One of its most famous features is the heart-shaped Tombaugh Regio, glowing like a frozen jewel, a symbol of Pluto's enduring charm. Beneath its icy shell, Pluto may hide a subsurface ocean of liquid water. Some regions show evidence of ice volcanoes that could erupt water, ammonia, or methane instead of lava. Certain areas of the surface appear surprisingly young, suggesting that geological activity is still ongoing. For such a small, distant world, Pluto is incredibly dynamic. Its icy surface is constantly changing, a living landscape at the edge of the solar system. Pluto's orbit is as unusual as its surface. Unlike most planets, Pluto follows a tilted, elongated path around the Sun, sometimes bringing it closer than Neptune. One full rotation, or a day on Pluto, takes about 6.4 Earth days, while a single orbit around the Sun stretches an incredible 248 Earth years. Its thin atmosphere is mostly nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide, expanding as it nears the Sun and freezing back onto the surface as it drifts farther away. Multiple haze layers rise hundreds of kilometers above its surface, giving the distant world an ethereal, ghostly veil. Pluto is not alone in its icy realm. It has 5 known moons: Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. Charon is massive, nearly half the size of Pluto, and together they orbit a point in space between them, forming a true binary system. The smaller moons rotate chaotically, tumbling unpredictably through space. Their movements add another layer of mystery to Pluto, revealing a system of cosmic dance unlike anything else in the solar system. Pluto was discovered in 1930 by the American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh. It was named after the Roman god of the underworld, a suggestion made by an 11-year-old, Venetia Burney. For decades, Pluto was celebrated as the ninth planet, completing the solar system family. But in 2006, everything changed. Scientists realized that Pluto had not cleared its orbit of other objects in the Kuiper Belt, a vast region beyond Neptune filled with icy remnants from the early solar system. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Yet losing the official title didn't diminish Pluto's intrigue. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft reached Pluto, providing the first close-up images of this distant world. The results were breathtaking. Mountains of ice, vast nitrogen plains, glaciers slowly flowing across the surface, and the heart-shaped Tombaugh Regio revealed a complex and active world. Pluto was far from a simple frozen rock. It was alive with geological surprises, a world that defied expectations. Even now, Pluto continues to hold secrets. Its surface is dotted with bright spots that reflect sunlight differently, creating patterns that are not yet fully understood. Floating ice mountains seem to hover on nitrogen ice plains, hinting at strange, slow-moving ice flows beneath. Methane ice snowfalls create delicate patterns on its surface. Pluto's binary dance with Charon, its chaotic small moons, and its unusual orbit continue to puzzle scientists. Its thin atmosphere, layered haze, and possible hidden ocean make it one of the most fascinating objects in the solar system. Pluto may be small, cold, and far away, but it tells a story much larger than its size. Its mountains, glaciers, icy plains, and binary dance reveal a dynamic living world at the edge of the Sun's reach. It challenges our understanding of planetary formation and reminds us that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. Perhaps Pluto's real charm isn't about whether it is a planet or a dwarf planet. Its fascination lies in its mysteries, in the fact that it continues to surprise us. It shows that even at the farthest edge of the solar system, worlds are active, beautiful, and complex. Pluto reminds us that exploration and discovery are never-ending, and that even the smallest worlds can tell the biggest stories. Even today, Pluto inspires wonder. Its heart-shaped plains, towering ice mountains, flowing glaciers, possible subsurface ocean, and chaotic moons make it one of the most unique worlds we have ever studied. Pluto may no longer hold the title of the ninth planet, but it remains at the heart of the outer solar system, a symbol of mystery, beauty, and cosmic resilience. The smallest worlds sometimes tell the largest stories. Pluto proves this, reminding us that even the tiniest worlds can hold secrets, surprises, and a beauty that stretches across billions of kilometers.